Hey guys, it's Tazb78. Welcome to the box break number 16. This time it is a box of 2011-12 Upper Deck SPX. Serial number, if you could see it, which probably not. We've got the NE95741592. If you could catch at least a number. I really need to get another camera. There's a list of winners. 6 teams have not been sold, so I've taken over them. So let's get this going. Yesterday, by the way, from somebody else, I got Edmonton, and I hit the autograph Nugent Hopkins. Very exciting. Can't wait to get it. So I now have an SPX Nugent Hopkins and as well as a Panini. Here is the bonus pack, which is the ice. Empty box. There we go. We keep the ice pack for the end. Good luck, everybody. Edmonton, base, spacer, base, and base. The right column usually is the luckiest from what I've seen in all boxes. Let's see if it is true. Base, spacer, base, and a base. Base, Ottawa Senators, jersey, 737 out of 799, Colin Greening. This is for Ottawa. Base and base. We'll vary it a bit. So this one, it's gonna actually feel it's thick. Probably just my imagination. No, it's not actually. Felt something on this. Okay. So base. Go to the back. Base. And we've got winning combos for Detroit Red Wings. Henrik Zetterberg and Johan Franzen. There you go, Detroit. Something here as well. So we've got base, winning materials, Eric Lindros. Wow. For the Rangers. So Eric Lindros for the New York Rangers. There we go. So base, base, spacer, base, and a base. Base. We got a rookie for Colorado Avalanche, numbered out of 499. Cameron Gauntz, 499 is the amount. Rookie Colorado. Yeah. Blank, base, and base. This one feels thick as well. Oh, again. Not sure. Again, it's not my imagination. There is something in there. Start from the back. Got a base. Oh, I'm not sure what's wrong over here. Blank, spacer. Well, there's something anyways. Base. Base. Bobby Hall, Chicago Blackhawks, Legends of Hockey, out of 499. Bobby Hall, Chicago Blackhawks. Oh wow. Okay, we've got something in this one. Base, spacer, Spectrum patch, Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom. There's a little wire sticking out. Nicholas Lidstrom for the Detroit Red Wings. Sorry, I meant there's a little thread there that's sticking out on this one already. So, anyways. So base, base, spacer, base, and a base. 8 packs to go. So base, 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 autograph rookie for the New York Rangers out of 799, Tim Erickson, New York Rangers. Okay, so base, base, spacer, base, and a base. Base, base, spacer, base, and a base. By the way, remember everybody, you all get at least a card. There's no it's for your team. I will be shipping out a card anyways, most probably from this pack, unless none of the teams have been out, then I will pick from my collection. Okay, so we got a base, another base, spacer, base, and a base. Base, base, spacer, base, and then their base. 3 packs to go. Base, base, spacer, base, and a base. Base, base, spacer, base, and a base. Last pack. And a base, base, a spacer, and a base. There we go. So the bonus pack the base, 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 Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis out of 1999. So that's it, folks. Please, I'll be sending you the link. There is a case break of Panini Certified ending on Saturday afternoon. Please check it out and bid if you're interested. If not, thank you anyways, and I'll be shipping out these cards most probably tomorrow. Have a great one, guys.